Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 4th of July 2025. The US Dow Jones increased 0.77%, settling the day at 44,828.53, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 20,601.10, increasing 1.02%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,903.60 and Hang Seng is trading at 23,779. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,528, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII sold 1,481.19 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 1,333.06 crore in the last trading session. India's HSBC Services PMI for June stood at 60.4, below the consensus estimate of 60.7. India's HSBC Composite PMI for June reached 61, matching the forecast of 61. Now talking about global aspects, US non-farm employment rose by 147k, surpassing the 111k forecast, and the previous 144k. US unemployment claims fell to 233k, below the forecast of 240k, and the previous 236k. WTI fell 0.67% to $67 a barrel, and Brent fell 0.45% to $68.80 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 96.71. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.21%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices closed lower for the second straight session amid late-hour selling pressure on the Nifty weekly expiry day. Market sentiment remained cautious as traders tracked progress on a potential interim US-India trade deal. Outlook for today: Nifty 50 closed lower for the second straight session amid late-hour selling pressure on the Nifty weekly expiry day. Despite the dip, the index maintains a bullish structure, trading above its 21-day and 55-day EMAs. Immediate support is seen at 25,300, where buying interest may re-emerge. On the upside, resistance is placed around the 25,700 to 25,800 zone, suggesting underlying strength and a positive broader trend in the near term. Bank Nifty saw profit booking in a volatile session, closing below 57,000 but holding above its 21-day EMA, signaling ongoing momentum. Immediate support lies at 56,600, with further downside possible to 56,100 if breached. On the upside, resistance is seen at 57,000, above which it may test 57,500. The overall trend remains bullish, and a buy-on-dip strategy is preferred, supported by positive momentum indicators. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, NH, Colpal, Blue Star, Voltas; BDL bearish view, Kotak Bank; D-Mart, Grasim, JSW Energy, Supreme Industries. Trade of the day is bullish on M&M, buy at 3,174, stop loss 3,090. Target 3,300. Rationale: bullish momentum. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.